how to add music to your Instagram profile. So first of all is that you want to make sure that your Instagram is updated. So you want to go into the App Store first and update it from there if you're not yet sure if it's already updated. So now once you're here, you want to log in and go into your profile by clicking here or tapping on the profile icon on the bottom right. Once you're here, you want to tap on edit profile. And in here, you should now be able to see the music option. But as you can see, as for this account, the music option is not available. So I'm going to switch to my other account. So I'm going to go and switch. And then from here, you can now tap here on edit profile. And in here, as you can see, for this account, the music option is available. So I can tap here on add music to your profile. So if it's not yet available to your account in Instagram, then it might be that Instagram needs to see some account history first before you could add music there, or they would enable that feature for you. And from here, all I have to do now is select the music that I would want to add. For example, this one. I'm going to tap on this music. And then now, it would play, and from here I can just choose the part of the song that I would want to add into my profile. For example, this one right here, and tap on done. And then as you can see, it will now be added there. And now I can go back into my profile and I should now be able to see that right here on my profile. It says this song right here. And that's it.